Hi, welcome to these tips and tricks videos. My name is Anton and I will tell you all about requesting a new article in Zendesk. So the requesting a new article feature is in the knowledge base in your agent workspace, and from there you can share your ideas for a new help center article, which will automatically be shared with the right people. Next, they can then create the article for future reference. So let's have a look what it looks like in Zendesk. So in a ticket, I'll choose a ticket here. On the right, we've got our knowledge panel. And in our knowledge panel, we have the plus sign. We can click and select request article. If I select request article, if you have multiple brands, you can select the brand you want to create an article for. Next, you can enter a subject. And you can even add a description as an article request. Next, you can select the link this ticket option. This will link the original ticket to the request, so the editor of the article will know what it is about. Then you just click request article, and a ticket will be created for the editors, for the admins in Guide. So that's all about requesting a new article. Thanks for watching and see you next time.